5 drinks to keep your kidneys clean. Your kidneys are body's star toxin filtering team and need your support to do their job well. Because detoxing is their prime directive, you don't need to feed them any trendy detox aid or supplement. You just need to make sure you stay properly hydrated. However, keep in mind that not all the following are the 5 ways to keep your kidneys clean and happy. Start pounding more of them now because kidneys do more than just filter waste. They also help maintain a healthy blood pressure, keep your bones strong by producing vitamin D, make red blood cells, and balance the body's pH level. Wine. No kidding, drinking a moderate amount of wine has been found to lower your risk of kidney disease by about 37%, and among people who already have kidney disease, those who drink somewhat less than 1 glass of wine per day are 29% less likely to have accompanying cardiovascular disease. Take your wine in moderation though. Drinking too much wine is going just to do the opposite of what you hope to achieve. Not only it is dehydrating, it is also has an adverse effect on kidney functions and can raise your blood pressure. Stick to 1 glass a day or less to reap the benefits without doing more damage to your kidneys. In regard to this study, there does not seem to be a difference between red and white wine, though red wine does contain a compound called resveratrol, which is though to improve heart health as well. Cranberry juice. You may have heard that cranberry juice is good for preventing and treating urinary tract infection. This is because cranberry have compounds that are able to stop E. coli from hanging around in the urinary tract. E. coli is the type of bacteria that causes between 80 to 90% of all diagnosed VTIs. Cranberry juice is also good for your kidneys because they are part of the urinary tract. Untreated UTIs can move from the bladder to the kidneys and cause a seriously painful infection. If the infection is not treated, it can spread on the bloodstream and cause a life-threatening illness. Avoid this by getting a daily dose of cranberry. You don't even have to drink it dried, or whole cranberries work too. Ginger tea. Ginger has long been used in holistic medicine for all sorts of application. It's super healthy because ginger contains a compound called gingerol that can inhibit the spread of bacteria. This reveals strain on your overworked kidneys and liver. Some studies have shown that ginger can also help to control chronic blood sugar, which is very damaging to our kidneys. In healthy people, drinking ginger tea may reduce the risk of developing diabetes. In people with diabetes diagnosis, it can protect against kidney-related complications. Ginger is also often used to promote healthy digestion, and it even reduces inflammation and pain all over your body. That's a lot of great reason to enjoy some ginger. It works whether fresh or dried. Lemon and lime citrus juices. Citrus is high in something called citrate, which is known to help prevent kidney stones. This painful condition generally occurs when calcium binds with other minerals and form crystals. These crystals eventually clump together, forming stones that must then be passed through the urinary tract in an agonizing progression. Getting more citrate in your diet via lemon and lime juices can stop calcium from binding to these other minerals, as well as keep any crystal that are already present in your kidneys from sticking together to form stones. The trick is making sure that you don't drink a lot of extra sugar with you. Try lemonade with no sugar added, or use a little bit of a sugar alternative to cut the tartness. You can also make your own lemon or lime beverage by adding as much pure citrus juice as you can stand to a glass of water. You might even add some lemon to your ginger tea for a double dose of kidney support. Lastly, we have water. No surprise here. Good old plain water is excellent for your kidneys. It serves as the base of each of the other drinks on your list and is also the very thing that supports all life on this planet. So yeah, water is kind of big deal. When you are properly hydrated, your kidney more easily do the job of flushing toxins. When you are dehydrated, kidneys have to move a thicker sludge of toxins and may pull out of your other organs to get the job done. Drinking plenty of water means there is enough fluid to be excreted in form of urine. The less urine you produce, the longer toxins and storm-forming minerals hang around your kidneys and urinary tract. Water intake needs to be calibrated to your activity level. How much you sweat and your diet in general aim to produce very light yellow or even clear urine. As the darker it is, the more strain your kidney are under. Remember that because your kidney deal with the body's waste products, ignoring kidney pain can lead to dangerous infections if waste is pushed back into the bloodstream instead of excreted. The best way to keep your kidneys clean and functioning properly is to stay hydrated. Plain water is the thing they need the most of, but consuming any of the other beverages on our list can boost the kidney pleasing benefits. Don't mess around with a trendy juice cleanse, as your kidney really don't need you to do that. Have your low sugar citrus based juice alongside regular healthy meals. You can even enjoy a glass of wine without feeling guilty about your kidneys. Just don't drink so much that you don't feel guilty about anything. Your kidneys are counting on you.